There are a few easy steps to set up a FastLOAD CX1000. The first thing to do is to sweep the floor where you want the robot to be. Make sure there's no dirt or debris that are going to get under the wheels or the leveling feet. Once it's into place, you lift the wheels up off the ground so the leveling feet are touching the floor, and you want to check and make sure all 4 leveling feet are evenly placed on the ground. If they're not, you can adjust the feet to make sure they're evenly touching the floor. The next step is to plug in the robot. If you're using an air blow-off or pneumatic tools, you'll also need to hook up compressed air to the included air regulator. Next, make sure both power and air are both turned on. Before turning on the robot controller, you should plug the teach pendant cable into the tablet teach pendant. Once the cable is connected, we can press the button on the top right to turn on the tablet. And now we can open up the tablet and select the Teach Pendant app to connect the app to the robot. Now that the tablet is powered on, we can turn on the robot controller. And then the tablet will establish connection with the robot controller. Once communication is established between the tablet teach pendant and the robot controller, it'll ask you to confirm the payload. Hit yes, hit OK again. Then the programming screen will boot up, and you can reset any faults that might have shown up. Now the robot's ready to use.